Make it.
Good morning. It is currently 5 degrees and I am wearing shorts. It's Friday. We're gonna get our first skiing in today for the season and I'm fucking pumped. Can we drift? Fuck yeah. It's all-wheel drive. there's no we can drift.
Timeless. Never let it fade. Make it timeless.
I remember the 190.
Never let it fade.
You go to the convenience store? Well, fuck it. Fuck it.
Anytime, baby. So I bought this camera specifically for this trip. Let's unbox it. Bar. Like, I feel like I'm gonna look so goofy with this. I'm gonna have to get the shots though. All right. I think I got it. I think many people make fun of Montec gear. I really enjoy it. The only thing I don't like about this is this clasp doesn't ever stay locked. And so if I ski for a long day, over time this thing will start to sag. So I had to put a safety pin in there. Other than that, I love it. This is the fit. Alright, enough of that.
Thinking about your love tonight. Two hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. Two-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. Two hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. Two-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. I've been thinking about your love tonight. Two hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. Two-step in me, baby, slide, slide.
Woo! That was fun. That was a good run.
I was trying to follow behind you, like, to get some content.
Yeah, we almost collided.
I know, I was just terrified.
All right, so this is the second lift of the day. And oh man, I haven't skied in over a year. And normally pretty good, but my legs are a little squirrely right now. I don't think the Peloton's really helping. They're already sore, but I'm having fun. First 2 runs, the guys sent us down steep blues, and I was like, man, I gotta warm up. This is my first ski trip of the season, but here we are. They kind of left me though. They're up there in front, and I think the other half of the group is behind me. So like trying to coordinate a group of 10 guys all on the lifts and hit the same trail at the same time has been a little difficult, but dude, it is beautiful. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. It's Breckenridge over there. I really hope you can hear me right now. Guess we'll find out later.
About your love tonight. 2 hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. 2-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. 2 hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. 2-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. I've been thinking about your love tonight. 2 hearts gonna make our worlds collide, baby. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. 2-step in me, baby, slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight, love tonight, love tonight. I just wanna be the one to treat you right, treat you right, treat you right. I've been thinking about your love tonight, love tonight, love tonight. I just wanna be the one to treat you right, treat you right, treat you right.
Every time you touch me, I feel energy. I feel energy. I feel energy. Every time you touch me, I feel energy. I feel energy. I feel energy. Every time you touch me, I feel energy. I feel energy. I feel energy. Every time you touch me, I feel energy. I feel energy. I feel energy.
Oh, it's day 2. I'm super sore. I need to stretch some more today. I did not do enough yesterday. Oh man. Well, let's get up. Let's go see what everybody's doing.
I can put you guys at seats upstairs.
Yeah. It might be some of the best loads this morning.
So quick.
I agree.
Day 2, baby, day 2.
Day 2. I can't wait. We just got to the top. Now we're waiting for everybody to get up here. We kind of left the other group down at the bottom. Can't wait. It's gonna be a good day. We're actively waiting for everybody to show up. But all of our walkie-talkies died, so I don't know if they're gonna find us. But I think I'm doing great.
I'm doing wonderful. This is how we wait.
This is how we wait. dicks.
That was facing the other way.
What assholes.
Oh, did it get? Was that on?
I was vlogging, bro.
Oh,
I got all that.
that'd be awesome.
What a
Live
dick.
action. Yeah, this is a great day. It's just
Kill it.
Right there.
I definitely got you. I got you just going, oh shit!
It's tight and it comes out like a half.
Yeah, when I saw Brad fall, I was like, uh-oh. Oh, it's crazy, like how fast this trip went by. Oh man. I'm also trying out this feature in this camera that's pretty cool. It's called Super Night or Super View or something. I don't know. I feel like it's really bright outside. It's whatever you're seeing in this video right now, it is not that. It is super dark right now. But Keystone was super fun. Hanging out with these 10 guys, super cool. I didn't know all of them before the trip, but I like them all. And I can't wait till we do another trip, but I got another one coming up here in like a few weeks. Going to Breckenridge, gonna take my son for his birthday, his 11th. So I'm excited for that one. I can't wait. See ya. Much better sliding than I had when I was in Houston.